Hello, I'm Dr. Alan Martinez from Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana, Mexico. If you've been considering dental implants but are concerned about cost, you may be surprised to learn that thousands of patients travel to Tijuana every year for high-quality dental care and significant savings. Dental implants are one of the best long-term solutions for replacing missing teeth. They look natural, feel secure, help preserve bone, and allow you to eat and smile with confidence. Unfortunately, implant treatment can be very expensive in many parts of the United States, causing patients to delay treatment for years. That's one of the reasons dental tourism has become so popular. At Dr. Mexico Dental Group, patients can receive advanced implant treatment while often saving thousands of dollars compared to typical US fees. Our clinic uses modern technology, digital treatment planning, high quality implant systems, and proven surgical techniques to deliver predictable results. Our convenient location in Tijuana is just minutes from the US border, making treatment accessible for patients from California, Arizona, Nevada, Texas, and throughout North America. We also assist many patients with transportation, travel planning, and scheduling to make the process as easy as possible. Whether you need a single dental implant, multiple implants, implant-supported dentures, or full mouth dental implants, our team will create a treatment plan designed specifically for your needs and goals. Choosing dental implants in Tijuana isn't simply about saving money. It's about receiving quality care, personalized treatment, and life-changing results from an experienced team dedicated to helping you restore your smile. I'm Dr. Alan Martinez, and we look forward to helping you discover whether dental implants are right for you. Contact Dr. Mexico Dental Group today to schedule your consultation.